Herein, let's recapitulate the entire module. Right from the CEO to the CFO, let's breadth the vision and let's see how we have moved forward so far. This is a small video wherein we're going to recapitulate the entire role of the C-suite positions in the organization, from the CEO, CMO, CFOs, etc. Here, let's talk about a few tools that we need to understand when it comes to the role of the CFOs, the C-suite people. Talking about the minimum pay packages versus the maximum pay packages, they vary across the industry. It is not that what I am receiving here in organization A, organization B is also going to offer me the same. Although, if we look at pan-industry trends, we are looking at what the industry as a whole is talking and giving to these C-suite people. But when we're talking about the pay packages, they vary from one organization to another as well. There's a simple activity that I need you to conduct, which is taking a sample survey. Herein, you can take a sample survey basis your product, talking about the tastes and preferences, pricing, branding, health benefits, choices, etc., and create a sample survey and float it amongst 50 to 100 people in your locality. Target on the audience that is specifically derived for your product. This survey can simply be created on any of the applications like SurveyMonkey or even Google Forms. Collect their responses, analyze the same, and come back with the activity done. We're going to talk about it further once you're done with the activity. Enjoy doing the activity and come back soon. Thank you so much.